Let's talk about the sun. How does the sun set on flat Earth? Does it make any sense? Well, to me it does, and I want to show you one way to understand it. Doesn't mean the sun sets this way every time, because weather is always different and the air is always a different condition, and it's unpredictable. But on clear days, we notice certain things, and on days that aren't as clear, we notice other things. And this is just going to show you a way to understand it that may be different from what you understand on a globe. Watch this video, and I think you will be able to see something happening that you might not have thought about before. But the sun is being blocked out by the thick air near the ground when it is far enough away. And the light doesn't end up making it through all the air, which we can see here. Notice how the sun appears to stop going down towards the horizon when it gets there. Now these are time lapses, and the 36 times speed and the 6 times speed is much faster than in reality. So you have to realize that the sun is getting to that point and it's just kind of sitting there in the same spot and disappearing. This doesn't happen every time the sun goes down, but these are videos that I've taken with my drone from about 1,500 feet in altitude. So the sun is washed out by the thickness of the air down low to the ground. Watch as it starts to set before it makes it to the horizon, and it starts to set from the bottom side up, just as it would if you were at the ocean and it was appearing to go down into the water. The bottom would disappear first. If you are so confident in your understanding of how things work in this world, you won't begin to understand things in different ways. And I think it's important to understand things in more than one way if possible, because it's probably not just one way. Sometimes we are wrong about things and should choose the truth when it becomes known to us. This is just one example of how thinking can change by looking from a different perspective. So I want to show you this. And as you can see in these videos, it's almost self-explanatory what is happening here, blocking out the bottom of the sun, working its way up towards the top of the sun. It's that thick air. So when you're down on the ground, you might not even see the sun. It might be gone already. So that was just one way that you can understand how, if the sun is going away from you, how it eventually will disappear, because there's going to be trees and things that are going to block it from your view, even if it's way above the earth. You can't see the sun from everywhere in the world. It has a limit of distance that it shines, and that's why we have day and night. So that's my explanation. Thanks for listening.